Good morning, children. Children, we have been studying our chapter periodic table in previous classes, and today also we are going to continue with this chapter only. Today we will study about the merits of the modern periodic table, and also we will see some defects in the modern periodic table. Now, if we see the merits of the modern periodic table, we find that modern periodic table is based on atomic number as the fundamental property which has been taken. Now this is much better property in comparison to atomic mass to classify the elements. So this is the first merit. In modern periodic table, position of the elements is related to electronic configuration of the elements. That means if one knows the electronic configuration, the person can easily tell about the position of elements in the periodic table. This table is much easier to remember, to understand and to reproduce in comparison to the other periodic tables which were given earlier. The modern periodic table also shows the regular changes in the properties of the elements as we move through the periods and through the groups from top to bottom. There is regular change in properties. So these are the merits of the modern periodic table. The defects in modern periodic table are also there. The first defect is this table also does not tell the exact position of hydrogen. Is still a satisfactory position of hydrogen is not defined. Hydrogen has been kept at two places, that is with alkali metals in group 1 and in with halogens in group 17. You have studied this chapter hydrogen and you have compared the properties of hydrogen with alkali metals as well as halogens. We have seen that hydrogen has been kept with alkali metals because it contains one electron in the outermost shell like alkali metals, and hydrogen is kept with halogens like chlorine because if hydrogen gains one electron like chlorine, it will form negative ion which is similar to the property of chlorine, which is a halogen. So the position of hydrogen, you can say, is still not clear. This is a very important defect of the modern periodic table. One more thing is there, that this table has a defect that it is not able to accommodate the inner transition metals. Now the inner transition metals, which I told you, the lanthanides and actinides. Lanthanides and actinides, they are not included into the main body of the periodic table, but they are the two separate series kept below the main body of the periodic table. So this is the lanthanide series, this is the actinide series. So this is also considered as one of the defect of the periodic table, that these elements have not been accommodated in the main body of the periodic table and have been kept separately. So this is all about the modern periodic table. Now children, we'll study about the various elements or various groups, specific groups in the modern periodic table in the next video.